This video teaches you how to insert an image into a Microsoft Word document. Click the place in your document where you want to insert the picture. Click the Insert tab. Click the Pictures tool. Select the type of image you want to insert. Click this device if the picture is on your computer. Click Online Pictures to use Bing's image search to find photos on the web. Select the image you want to insert. If you're selecting from online images, you can click multiple pictures to add more than one. Click Insert. If you want to change the picture's size, click it once to select it, and then drag any of the corner circles in or out. Double-click the picture to open the Picture Format tab at the top, and then set your desired measurements next to height and width. Use the curved arrow at the top of the picture to rotate it. Double-click the picture to access more editing tools. This opens the Picture Format tab at the top of Word. On this tab, you can click Wrap Text to choose how to situate the picture in blocks of text. To crop the picture, click the Crop tool. The Adjust panel near the top left corner has additional tools for background removal, color effects, and corrections. To add a border or effect around the picture, select one of the picture styles at the center of the format bar, or choose any of the other options in the section to have more control over the style.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.